What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video, and we're doing a mall trip today because I gotta check some stuff out. Let's go see what's up. Westfield Culver City for all you younger people. Fox Hills Mall for all you old farts like me. Let's go. Let's go. I ain't been here in a few weeks. It looks like they got a bunch of newer merch, Mitchell & Ness merch that I've never seen before. That's fire. They got the bull shorts that are authentic over there. They got D-Fish. I'm gonna be honest, I haven't seen D-Fish jerseys in a minute. $120. They're marked down to $120, normally $140. So they've been here for a bit, I guess. The authentic shorts, $125. These are fire, some swingman shorts right here. These are $100. Damn, they went up to 100 this year. Damn, everything's going up. Everything is going up. Is that the Chicago from his rookie year? No. That's what it looks like. And then the latest release, Jordan 7 infrared white, or white infrareds. I was trying to figure out when these released. These just released today. Duh. I had to look it up. I was like, when the hell did these release? So you got the infrared 7s. Okay, they're okay. I don't know. I'm just not a huge fan of the 7s. And then we've been seeing pandas here and there. And then we saw these dunks. The ones with the, yeah, it makes you dizzy. It looks all weird. But yeah, they got both of these bad boys. $110 for both of them. Oh, holy cow, I almost did not notice some of the stuff they got here. This is kind of insane. First of all, Cortez. I've not seen Cortez's anywhere, and yeah, they were available online, but don't see anymore. Like, that's just crazy. Then got these as well. Like, what the hell? Multiple Cortez here. I don't even see Cortez anywhere else. And then the Airmore Up-Tempo slides. Y'all freaking know I love these slides. I haven't seen this colorway anywhere. I've not seen these anywhere. So why the hell are they getting these when I haven't seen these anywhere? The only ones we've seen in most spots are that one and that one. And then look at this. This one's already on sale. What the hell, dude? What the hell? Man, I'm gonna have to grab a couple of these eventually. You know, like this, unless this one went down on sale big time, I probably wouldn't get this unless like I can find it for hella cheap. But yeah, I have this one already. I need to get this one. I have to get this one. Like, this is just one of the OG colorways. Like, I have to get this. I do have the shoe. I have this colorway of the sneaker as well. So yeah, and then like this, if I find it on sale, you know, maybe those are one of my favorite slides right now. So I'm gonna have to grab. I'm gonna have to grab more. I just don't want to pay 85, man. 85 is a little steep. All right, let's go see what's up in the section of Jordans right here. That 23 does look so fire. Yeah, these look very similar to the infrareds. I like these better than the infrareds, though. I was trying to find these at the outlets. Didn't really happen. Definitely would have grabbed those Cardinals because I don't have any of the 7s. I was going to grab one of those at the outlets. Didn't happen. Toro Bravo 6s, handcrafted 5s, 2s. What? When did I miss this release? What the hell? When did I miss this one? Oh, these two lows right here. Got highs, more highs right here. I got ones. Lucky green highs right there. Got the white cement highs. Got the 13. Was this the French blue or something? Women's J's got even more right here. Do got the Laneys right here. The Laney highs. Got 2s. Dang, dude, did they release? I knew they released a lot of 2s, but did they release that many? Holy cow. Okay, this one's on sale. $125. Oh, shoot. $125. Okay. Our Seton Jordan's on sale, which is fire. Then got a bunch of lows as well. I think this is this the one I'm wearing today? Yeah, I think this is, because I'm wearing the women's Jordan 1 low today. All right, let's go look around. Let's go look around. I need to go to the store that I came to look at. I walk past the guys that give out the massages. I'm like, hey man, don't make eye contact. All right, hey you guys. All right, dude, this is what I really wanted to come check out. Dude got lids. They started the semi-annual clearance sale. Yeah, let's go. Extra 30% off this rack. Is it off that rack too? I don't know. Let's find out. Let's go. Clippers fans. This is a medium right here. Look. $20. Oh, that's a youth. Oh, that's for youth. Okay, I was like, $20, you get another 30% off on top, dude. So, what is that? What, 14 bucks? Yeah, man, 14 bucks. Can't beat that. Just youth as well. Yeah, I think this is for men's. Both of them are for youth. Got the Sweet Man shorts for the Nets going for $43. Just Theus? Reggie Theus? Yep. The Gradient jerseys goes from dark up top to light on bottom, $64. This was off 50% off last year. So, not last year, this was off 50% off in January. So a little bit disappointing, but better than nothing. Better than nothing. $65, you get another 30 off. Kind of interesting. I'm curious to see if this is going to remain at 30% off the whole time, or if this is going to, they start at 30% off and it's going to go down to 50 later. That's what I'm curious about, because this started early. This started a week earlier than last year. So yeah, last July. I actually paid attention to dates and stuff like that. $43 for those right there. Steve Smith jersey. These are all medium, $65. So they're all 50% off, and then you get another 30 on top. So price is not too bad, just not as great as we were hoping, because we've seen all this stuff for an additional 50% off, as I mentioned earlier. Rodman jersey, this was $85. $150 for the Shaq one. I'm not a fan of this one. Not a fan of that. Cool. Magic Johnson medium right here, $225. Yeah, back then this was $225, and then yeah, I do remember that 50 off of that. Lakers, kind of like a warm-up shirt, $70 for this. I know this is normally way more. Lakers dry fit tee, $28. That's a hell of a price, especially with another 30 on top. Pat Salute to Service hoodie going for $50. Iverson jersey, what's this hitting for? $64. This is here from last year, I remember. Fanatics Laker shirts for women, that's down to $22. Pippen t-shirt down to $30. Checking out the larger UCLA Lonzo Ball jerseys, $50 for these. Ram Salute to Service jersey down to $50. T-shirts, Texans, Chargers, got Seahawks, all down to $20. Got Kyle Kuzma jersey. Kyle Kuzma going for $50. So it looks like small, medium, large on that side, large, XL, and double XL on this side, all 30% off. I think this is the G3 brand, kind of like a lower end brand. I do have the Niner jacket like this though, because it's so damn cheap. This is $40. $40, and you get another 30 off on top. Not too bad, not too bad. Lakers Mitchell & Ness, normally $94 down to $64, and you get an extra discount. Larry Johnson jersey down to $65. More Steve Smith jerseys up to the XL. This does not look like an XL, dude. It's the XL Kids or something? XL Youth? No, it's technically an XL. Nike Dry Fit down to $60, normally $87. Another Iverson, pretty fire, $85. XL Salute to Service, $56. That's a hell of a deal for that. Got Rams one XL, that's $64. Dodgers Fanatic brand, kind of a cheaper one, $100 down to $75. More of these Padres one down to $50. Lower end Fanatics one again. Shaq jersey triple XL, $90. It's a gradient jersey. Yeah, I'm good on those. This is pretty dope for the Blackhawks, down to $62, so half price. And then you get another 30 on top. That's pretty fire. This is Mitchell & Ness. All right, that's pretty much about it. They do got deals. Not too bad. Not crazy yet. We'll see if they continues to go down. Do you got $10 hats? Usually this means everything on this table is $10. Got some way too colorful Dodgers hats. These are snapbacks down to 15. Oh, my bad, 10. Got fitted hats too, though. Look at this. That is an 8, though, of course. More snapbacks here, going for $10. Florida Marlins, Clippers, Lakers. These are fitted hats right there. Browns hats, of course, those are on sale. Rams hats on sale, down to $10. The Washington Nationals, 76ers youth hat right here. These are all snapbacks. Colorado Rockies down to $10. Mets right here. The Nets, or the New York Cubans. I don't know where that's from. And do got, is this the Colorado Rams? Oh, LA Rams, my bad. I thought that was a college one. And they do have stuff for $20. Cam Akers jerseys, Durant jerseys. You know, they do have various sizes, but not too many people are gonna want these. They got Westbrook jerseys right here, Westbrook t-shirts. And then yeah, I got Lonzo Ball jersey right here. This is an XL. Alright, that's pretty much that. Let's go on to the next one. Champs, of course we gotta continue checking Champs, because I don't know, maybe they still have some leftover 70% gear. I don't know. Let's go. Nah, not seeing any 70% off gear signs here. I just saw one, what, yesterday? Day before? I don't know. I just saw one. That's it. These shorts. These weak ass shorts. That's about it. Got some sweats right there. And 50% off Champs gear. That's not really what we're looking for though. Jordan section right here. I looked around the whole store. Didn't really find the most interesting stuff. They got Air Up Tempos on sale, Air More Up Tempos. We've seen those though. LeBron, older LeBron's on sale. All right, let's go move on to the next store. Dude got a JD Sports. Okay. All right, dude got the Last Chance wall right here. Are we seeing Air More Up Tempos for $100? Serious? You serious? That is insane. This is a size 9 right here for $100. Almost 50% off. Man, when I start seeing 50% off, man, I'm going to be hella surprised. They got Brotherhoods. And, you know, one last size of the Cardinals right here. Witness is going for $55. Witness 6 right there. The Air Force Ones look interesting. Love that gun bottom. Got a pair of Hardens here going for $90. Vapor Max. Like, this is the one that we've been seeing on sale. This colorway, $130. Air Force Ones going for 50% off now. Zoom Flight 95s. And then I was like, is this one on sale too? No, not really. Backside right here. Dude got the ones right there. Dude, if they made this in men's size, I probably would have grabbed them. You know, I know they look very similar to the white cements, obviously, but I probably would have grabbed these. I do like them. It does have that aged, that sale midsole, which I'm not the biggest fan of, but it is what it is. They do have all kinds of sales tags. It is on a lot of their, I don't want to say like house merch. Supply, what brand is this? Supply and Diamond brand right here. Oh, there you go. Supply and Diamond. Someone was like, is that Diamond Supply? I was like, nah, that's not them. Do got some Jordan brand stuff on sale. Not crazy. Fools are finding those. Fools are finding all these at Ross and stuff nowadays. $65 here. We saw this at Shoe Palace for $65. And then this one, like a mocha. Kind of reminds me of a mocha colorway. This one got all kinds of Nike swishes on the bottom right there. All gray, looking like a cool gray right here on sale as well. Air More Up Tempos, $140, $120. So we do got sales. Nothing crazy though, nothing crazy. Dunks. Wait, look at this. Dunk highs go for $65, really? $80 for these. Obviously, the dunk hype is obviously done. It's been done. Yeah, there's definitive proof right there. Wow. All right, I think we got one more shop. Let's go. All right, let's go see what's up at Foot Locker. Let's go. Been seeing those on sale. I think we've been seeing these on sale too, right? The Midnight Navy 2s. Were these always on sale? Freaking, they're like cheaper than the outlets. Cheaper than the outlets. Man, and then the Zoom Generations. How do you guys feel about these? Yeah, I really do want a Zoom Generation. This is, you know, LeBron's first sneaker, but I don't know. This one's just not doing it. I kind of want the OG colorway. I wonder if was there one store that has them? I'm trying to remember. Because of course they made the OG colorway. They made that one super limited, bastards. And Kyrie's going down in price. It looks like. Got the lows right here down to $70. Cosmic Unity 2s going down on sale. Very similar prices to the outlets nowadays, man. Not bad, not bad. I so miss the days when these hydro slides used to go on sale. Like, I got all of mine for like under $30. I'm hoping that happens again. I don't know. We'll see. Things are starting to slow down. I don't know. Maybe fools will sleep on this type of stuff. I'm going to start wearing my slides because it is summer now. Speaking of, hey, what I'm wearing and that type of stuff, wearing Jordan 1 lows because, yeah, it is the summer and, yeah, it's like hot outside, man. So that does mean shorts, does mean t-shirt. I have a tank top underneath if I need. And we did see Air More Up Tempos at that other shop. At least those colorways are better. Like this one, kind of eh. And then this one got that big old thing on it, eh. Like I think this one's significantly better. Even this one, but not on sale yet. Maybe, I'm sure they will eventually. What the hell? Look at this Superstars for $30. $30, 70% off. Whoa, this kind of reminds me of like a Bruce Lee colorway too. I don't know, but yeah, that's not bad, dude. That's not bad. Guess we're finding sales here and there, like really good sales here and there. Or seeing that got me all paranoid. I went back and backtracked. I'm like, did I miss anything else? Did I miss any other like really crazy sales like that? Nah, not really. All right, I hope this vlog was long enough. Hope I got enough for you guys. We're out. Did hear JD Sports will be moving here like towards the middle of the mall because they're like way on that side. Damn, it was sunny as hell when I left the valley. Oh my god, I come to the west side and look at this, man. Look at this. Man, I'm dressed for like 97, 98 degree weather, dang it.